Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best slippers for men on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is RockDove Birdseye Knit Two-Tone. The RockDove Birdseye Knit Two-Tone slippers are truly slip-on and offered at a very affordable price. If you just need slippers for short shuffles through the house, these will do the job. The lining is smooth for even easy on and off. The insole, when new, offers nearly the most squishy cushioning in the entire review. Only one other pair had a softer initial feel. Extended use of squishy sole slippers will break them down. That soft initial padding will pack down with time and mileage. Further, the outsole of the RockDove is the least grippy of any in our test. In side-by-side testing, literally, different models on different feet, these had the poorest traction on carpet, linoleum, and wet outside deck boards. We recommend taking care when walking on these surfaces. Number 2. Our second best pick is HomeIdeas Woolen Anti-Slip House Slippers. The HomeIdeas Woolen Anti-Slip House Slippers are simple, slip-on house footwear, but we found the model name curious because there is nothing woolen about them. Aside from the rubber sole and some sort of foam hidden within, they are made entirely of synthetic fleece. The fleece is smooth and kicks on and off from bare or socked feet. Instructions indicate that you can machine wash these slippers. We like that. Like any kick-style slipper, the HomeIdeas slipper isn't made for extensive movement up and about. Their best use is for things like short trips to the bathroom or to keep your toes warm beneath your desk. Those with difficulty reaching their own feet will appreciate the easy on and off of this footwear. In terms of warmth, the 2 layers of fleece are insulating, but the bare heel lets cold air circulate freely, so you may want to use these with socks. Number 3. Our third best pick is Zigzagger Fuzzy Micro Suede Moccasin. One tester summed up virtually everyone's first impression of the Zigzagger Fuzzy Micro Suede Moccasin with the observation that they feel like walking on a pillow. These have the softest, squishiest insole. It's made with fleece and foam and will certainly compress with time and use, but enjoy the luxurious padding in the meantime. In extended testing, we have come to appreciate that the Zigzagger slipper can be used with the heel up for warmth and some security or with the heel folded down for easy on and off. We wish these were better for walking. The full heel coverage suggests that they should walk okay, but that heel slips right off while striding. This is sort of the worst of both worlds. The heel requires a hand to get them on, but they don't stay on very well while walking longer distances. On the other hand, the heel cup does provide some insulation while at rest. Overall, we like the layout and wouldn't suggest that these slippers lose the heel cup. Since you can fold it down for slip-on convenience, this design is sort of the best of both worlds. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Acorn Mock Slippers. The Acorn Mock scores very well in other reviews, and we can back up these claims. We only include excellent products in our fleet, and the Acorn is a superb and aesthetically pleasing model. It's warm, easy to get on, and made with robust materials and tight tolerances. On the other hand, the interior of the Acorn Mock felt lumpier than any other model we tested. Beneath your heel, an Acorn logo, unfortunately, interrupts an otherwise smooth and cushy footbed. Just behind each big toe is a prominent seam that you can feel distinctly without socks on. With socks on, both of these annoyances are lessened, but not gone altogether. Features: natural wool fiber. Made in the USA or imported. Suede sole. Shaft measures approximately not applicable from arch. Men's signature comfort slipper in slip-on closed-back design with indoor and outdoor support. Soft fleece, faux fur, or Berber uppers deliver timeless style and warmth, while moisture-wicking Berber lining keeps feet comfortable and dry. Resilient multi-layer memory foam adds support and cushion after a long day of walking or standing. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is NDB Memory Foam Suede Slipper. The NDB Memory Foam Suede Slipper is the only low-heel model in our test that has a slightly hardened outer. This outer layer is a synthetic suede that sheds grass and leaves better than the fleece outers on the other budget and slip-on models tested. If your slipper requirements include minimal walking, a wallet-friendly price, and the ability to occasionally go out in the yard, this is a good choice. The overall quality is pretty low, with missing stitches and stray threads visible right out of the package. The insole is foamy, but not nearly as cushioning as other options available. In head-to-head traction testing, the outsole tied with 2 other models for the least traction in our entire test. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.